Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to monetize it using Google AdSense in 2026, here is the clear, no confusion truth. Hostinger Website Builder doesn't support full Google AdSense integration like WordPress, but you can still contact AdSense in a limited supported way, and this guide explains exactly what's possible, what's not, and how to do it correctly. Okay, so first thing first, create and get approved on Google AdSense. So this is required. Sign in with your Google account, add your website URL, submit your site for review, wait for approval, can take days or weeks. Your site must be approved first before ads appear. Okay. So verify your domain ownership. So this is important. During AdSense setup, Google will ask you to verify your site. Choose HTML tag verification. In Hostinger, edit website. So you have to go to websites. You have to have an upgraded account first. So go to website, edit website, go to website settings or SEO or costume code, paste the AdSense verification meta tag in the head section, and then tap save and publish. So Google verifies your site automatically. Get your AdSense ad code. Okay. In AdSense dashboard, ads. Okay. Tap ads, then buy ad units, and then create a display ad and copy the HTML ad code. You will receive a script plus INS block. Okay, so add AdSense code to Hostinger Website Builder, log into Hostinger H panel, websites, go to edit websites, and then open the page where ads should appear. Add a code, costume code, paste the AdSense ad code, and then save and publish. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.